Hey guys, it's Blake over here at Wylie Tire Shop. We just wanted to make one more video and show y'all something that we get a lot of questions about. A lot of people ask what the difference between a plug and a patch is. So here at Wylie Tire, most of the time when we're using plug, it's going to be on a farm tire, a large equipment farm use, or a small lawn tractor turf tire. When it comes to patches, we're using these for almost all the repairs that come through Wylie Tire Shop, whether it's nails, screws, or even any of those random objects you might encounter on the road. So real quick, we want to show you an example of a flat repair using a patch. So I hope that was helpful videos for you. If you ever have any questions or concerns, you can always bring your vehicle in or give us a call on the phone.